you think about this space evolving in 3 to 5 years, how do you see it evolving?
I think the architecture is going to fundamentally change. It's going to become more process-centric. It's got to, because at the end of the day, that's how people see their business. Is what do they do, and it's how do they do it. That's what matters. And bringing AI more to the fore in terms of process improvement, in terms of capability optimization, I think we'll be relying a lot more on industry reference models, which keep growing and keep evolving, and then use that to define the gaps, use that to drive the gaps from where you are to where you need to be, what best practice looks like. That's just where I see the architecture world going a lot more. I see architecture and strategy execution converging a lot more. I'm certainly intending to do that in the new tooling, that we will have links into a number of different sort of project and program tools, but that's old thinking. What we need is, I did sort of answer it just now, but I'll try and word it slightly better this time. For every architectural decision that's made, so say for example you're looking at rationalizing your application portfolio, so you bring all the estate information into a tool, you ask it a bunch of questions, maybe let some AI loose on it to optimize a little bit, and then you come up with what parts of your estate can you tolerate, what should you invest in, what should you migrate, what should you eliminate, to use Gartner's terminology. The result of that in a traditional architecture tool is there's a time chart, there's a picture of what you should do, give it to somebody else, they can go and do it. I believe we should be saying, here is the result of that analysis. This says that these 27 applications can be demised, which results in this technology can be taken out of your organization and sunset, reducing your overall operating costs, reducing your technical debt. That should directly feed into, this is the initiative that will work on that. These are the gains from it. This is what we know about the operating costs of it. This is sort of a stub project. And we should be generating those things hundreds of times a day in a large organization. They should all be feeding into a continuously evolving plan. And that's the point at which I would, as an architect, step away from it, but I don't want to. I want to actually be involved in seeing how that then closes the loop back around to defining the new current state architecture, so that we can then on the architecture side be driving forward to the next target state. So I see it converging, and I see it becoming sort of self-evolving.